2 words: mental models. What's that? Mental models are images and stories that we carry in our minds. They could be about the people we meet, or the situations we find ourselves in, or any other aspect of our lives. They determine our perspective of the world, and more importantly, our behaviors in the world. But how do they get formed? Mental models are based on long-term memories stored in our minds. This could be informed by our past experiences or the messages we receive from the people around us. So what's wrong with that? The problem is that while our mental models shape our perspective of the world, they block out other possibilities of viewing, understanding, and acting in the world. We see our perspective as the only one. So, does this mean that having mental models is bad? No. It is natural to have mental models. We all have our sets of stories and images that influence our behavior. But what's important is that we challenge our mental models and encourage them to evolve. How? 1, by slowing down our thinking and not jumping at the first image we see. 2, engaging in self-reflection and being aware of our own judgments. 3, inquiring about the other possibilities of understanding and responding.